Hi everyone and welcome back to the Honor Clothing YouTube channel. Today we're going to be exploring latex for beginners. In this video we're going to be discussing the best latex garments for beginners, how to mix and match with your everyday wardrobe, and also introducing our introductory latex boxes. So when you're starting with latex, you really want to try starting with something small, something minimal. So I would suggest going with latex gloves. So these are the short black latex gloves. I've got them in a size medium, and yeah, I think latex gloves are a really good option to start with. As you can see, they're pretty easy to get on. So if you don't want to wear full latex, you want to wear your own clothes, then yeah, this is a really good start to accessorize. So one thing about latex, if you're new to it, is when it arrives, it will actually be matte. And this is because it has been toweled down to keep it protected. This helps protect the latex and ensure you get the most longevity out of it. But to get that shiny finish, you're going to use our Skin 2 Dress and Shine Serum. So rubbing in the serum, there you get that nice glossy finish. Next option for beginner latex items would be a latex bando top. This is our latex tubular top. This is the latex bando top on. As you can see, it's really easy to wear. It's minimal latex. It's not cutting in under your arms. And yeah, you can wear it with your everyday outfits as well. I've got it on with jeans at the moment, or you can pair it with a latex skirt, your own skirt. There's really so many different ways to wear this. For the bottom half, my next suggestion would be a latex skate skirt. Because it's flared, it's not going to stick to the body. So if you wanted something a little bit more flary and easy to wear, a bit more breathable, then this is a really good option to start with. So this is the latex skater skirt on. This is actually one of our longer length skater skirts. We also have a micro length skirt, which is a little bit shorter and is available in black and red. For more of a figure hugging fit, the latex mini skirt is a great option for you. This hugs to the body, but it is still minimal latex. Just for reference, here is talc versus shine. So once this is shined, this pairs really well with the latex bando top, and it's a really cute intro outfit into latex. This is the latex skirt on with the bando top, and as you can see, this pairs really nicely. It's minimal latex, and yeah, this is a really good intro outfit into latex. And what's good about this is you can mix and match either of them. So you can wear the skirt with something else, a top of your own choice, a latex top. You can also wear the bando top with something else. You can pair it with a skater skirt. The possibilities are endless. My next recommendation for beginners would be to get something with a front zip. A front zip on the latex makes it a lot easier to get on and off as well. And here is the dress on. This is honestly such a core favourite because it's so easy to get on and it's super flattering as well. We also have this dress available in black. Sticking with zips, we also have a latex zip top, which is a great option if you want to style your latex in several different ways. As you can see, I've paired it with jeans, with a skirt, and it serves as a really good separate for your wardrobe. Now finally, let's talk about our introductory latex boxes. We've introduced these because they are the perfect pieces for getting into latex. They're simple, they're effective, and the idea behind it is to get a full latex outfit for an affordable price point. So let's have a look at what is inside our introductory latex boxes. The introductory latex box does come in 3 different colours. We have black, red, and also a brand new colour, deep aubergine purple. So I'm going to show you that one first because this is a new latex tone for us. We don't have this in any other colour. Obviously we have the metallic purple, we have more of a vibrant purple, but this is a really beautiful deep aubergine purple. Is the first item. The first item you will get is a latex bando top, and as I've said earlier in the video, it's a really nice, simple, easy garment to wear. The deep purple latex tube top on, and I've kept the black latex skirt on just so you can see the difference between the two. Obviously this is quite a deep purple, but yeah, you can see that this one's definitely aubergine kind of tone and paired with the black. Which leads me on to the next item you will get in the introductory latex box is a latex mini skirt. So obviously this has not been shined yet. This is in the aubergine purple again. And yeah, as I said earlier, really nice, easy item to wear. And it's going to pair really beautifully with this latex tube top as well. So let's go and try it on. From quite far away, it looks dark, it almost looks like it's black, but I'm going to come up closer so you can see that it's actually a really deep, beautiful aubergine shade. So alongside the latex bando top, the latex mini skirt, you will also get a pair of short latex gloves in your introductory latex box. Now with the purple latex set, you will get short black gloves. With the black latex set, it will also be short black gloves, but with the red latex set, we have short red latex gloves. This is the full introductory latex outfit on. We have a bandeau top, a latex mini skirt, and the short latex gloves, and together that completes a whole latex outfit. Within the introductory latex box, you will also get a bottle of our Skin to Dress and Shine serum. This is what I've used to get the shiny effect on the latex today. And you can also use it as a dressing aid, so to help you get latex on. That's particularly helpful with putting the gloves on and skirt as well. And here are the different colours that the introductory latex box is available in: deep aubergine purple, black and red. These items are super great to mix and match with your everyday wardrobe or wear all together.